The healthy fun for children is playing with modeling clay. In this video we show you how to make homemade modeling clay with safe and cheap ingredients. The elements that we will use are 200 grams of common flour, 150 grams of salt, a tablespoon of edible oil, a tablespoon of wine vinegar or alcohol vinegar, a cup of water and artificial coloring. In a large container we place all the ingredients except the coloring and mix well. We turn the preparation on a counter and knead well until obtaining a smooth and uniform dough. Then we take the mesh and divide according to the number of colors we are going to make. To avoid staining our hands, we are going to use rubber gloves. We apply a little artificial coloring to each portion and knead well, if necessary add more coloring until the desired shade is obtained. Done. That's how easy we will have created our own modeling clay for children to play and create. We recommend keeping in the fridge in an airtight container so that the dough takes time to dry and can be reused.
Leave us a comment, a like or subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Thank you for your visit.